Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired, and today we have the brand new Tecno Camon i2X for you guys. So now Tecno has again come up with this Camon I series. I here stands for the camera specific phones, and the highlight of the phone is surely the camera. So in this video, let's just unbox this new device and we'll talk about the first hands-on of new Tecno Camon i2X. So guys, this is the all new package we've received from Tecno today. I'm really excited to open this. This looks really grand. Let's unbox this one. So this is how the packaging looks like. Very nice and interesting. India is blessed with beauty all around, and Tecno har surat khoobsurat. So as you can see, the highlight is Camon best anytime camera. So this is the all new Camon i2X, and as you can see, it has a notch display, 16 megapixel front camera, and one-time screen replacement. This is how the packaging it looks like, and the features, some of the key highlights are mentioned here on the box. So it says 13 megapixel of rear dual camera, quad flash, 16 megapixel of front camera, video chat flash, notch display, 64 GB plus 4 GB storage, face unlock, fingerprint sensor, and 3750 mAh of battery. And it will come with some geo offer. It's a made in India phone. So let's just unbox this phone. Wow. So as the hashtag is Tecno har surat khoobsurat, so they just wanted me to see my face first of all. So this is how the all new Tecno i2X looks like. Very nice and interesting, very light in hand. That's my first impression about it. And at the same time, the color is really interesting. First of all, here you get this transparent PU protection case along with the box, user manual, 12 plus 1 year warranty card, 5 volt 1.2 ampere output charger, and a micro USB charging cable along with a SIM tray opener. So this is all what you get inside the box. So friends, this is the all new Tecno Camon i2X. Just remove this back cover. So you can see the back. It is really giving a premium touch to the phone. The color gradations are really nice and crispy, very sharp. The finish is glass and it attracts a lot. The colors of the screen are also very bright and crispy. You can see now Tecno has come up with this notch concept in which the earpiece and the front camera and the LED flash is very well properly placed. So in a front, I always like phones which have a LED flash because you can click selfies also in dark light. So along with the notch, you get a 6.2 inch good infinity max view display, full vision display you get. Bezels are very nicely cut and edges are really rounded, which gives a very good feel in the hand, and the phone does not slip much. The best part which I am really liking, and I'm really shocked about that thing, it has a good battery life of 3750 mAh, but the phone does not feel heavy at all in the hand. This is my personal experience in the first look. So the weight of the phone is also very important. If you get a phone with a good battery and it is not very heavy, so it becomes a really very good USP of the phone. The touch response is really nice and fast. On the back you get a dual camera setup, 13 plus 5 megapixel with a quad LED flash, fingerprint sensor. Here there is a power button and the volume rocker. And the bottom there's the 3.5mm audio jack, mouthpiece, charging a port, the speaker grill placed very well. That's also a good thing here, that it has a dual nano SIM as well as a dedicated SD card slot. And go to about phone, so you can clearly see that it has a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM with a 16 megapixel front camera, 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup, Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, 3750 mAh of battery, and 2 gigahertz octa-core processor with high OS version of 4.1. Also, if we just check the processor, it's a MediaTek MT6762V processor. Also, I just noticed one thing, that if we talk about the apps, we get some pre-installed apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, especially the social media apps, Instagram and Messenger already there, pre-installed in the phone. Not much other apps are there, but the social media apps were pre-installed. You can see the theme is also very interesting and interface looks very user-friendly here. Let's just go to the highlight of this phone, which is the camera. And as you can see, it has AI based camera engine. That means it will do a lot of scene detection and will adjust lighting condition. Whenever you change the lighting condition, it will change automatically the settings according to the AI. And it is also mentioned about the phone that it is very good for all types of lighting conditions. So as you can see, the modes here are video, AI camera, bokeh, panorama, and you also get super pixel mode. In the back camera, the 13 megapixel is the primary camera sensor, and the secondary sensor, which is a 5 megapixel sensor, that's a bokeh effect depth sensor. Talking about the front camera, it's a 16 megapixel front camera. You can see nice details it is capturing. In front also you get the auto HDR, and the good thing about the phone is that it has a selfie lighting, which you can use in taking front camera pictures. It could be used in a video chat. In front also you get the option of creating bokeh effect selfies. So in front also you get the option of creating the bokeh effect selfies. I just clicked some of the pictures right now. So this was clicked with the beauty mode. You can see it is minimizing all the imperfections of the skin, but not blurring out the features. That's a sign of a good camera. And with the back camera also, there are some pictures with really nice and interesting details. Overall, the phone looks very interesting as per the looks are concerned. The camera is really nice. So friends, this was the first look of the new Camon i2X. The phone looks very interesting and promising, and as we are making this video a little prior to the launch, so we'll be mentioning the price and the actual availability details. We'll mention the actual price and availability details in the description box for you. Although the expected price according to me should be around between 11,000 to 14,000 somewhere. So as per that price range, the phone is really interesting. So this is it about the new Tecno Camon i2X. We'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.